Hi, welcome back. So I was discussing on Google Docs, and Google Docs is the free word processor from Google for Education. And in Google Docs, we can do what we can do in other word processors. Maybe this is Word Perfect or MS Word or Write of OpenOffice. And this time I'm going to discuss some features of Google Docs, and those are like there are three options, like edit directly editing the document. Suggesting means if you want to collaborate this your collaborate your document uh, in the group or with other people, and if they are suggesting anything or if they are editing anything, you get in real time. And if you use a view option of that, then view is simply how the document looks like on the screen. So without wasting much time on this discussion, let's move to our Google Docs. And here, this is my Omnibox and Chrome Omnibox. Typing here docs.google.com, and I'm opening, say, about me. So this is my document, and I'm going to tell you about the suggestions, comments, and using this plus, I can, or one can comment, give comment to the document. And if I use this editing, means if I collaborate this document with other or share with other, then they can collaborate on the same document, can edit the document if the right is given of editing. And the suggesting means if I share this document with other people with the suggesting mode, then in that case, the other people who are collaborating can suggest, and it depends on the owner of the document whether he takes up the suggestion or not. Viewing, if I give the viewing right, or if I give the viewing right, then the recipient or the collaborator can view the document. All right, so I'm not using editing mode, I'm using suggesting mode, and I'm sharing this with the person. Example, suppose here this is the person. I simply send. Okay, so now this document is being shared with the people, and now I am going to open the recipient window. So here, this is document about me. When I open this, I get the same document. Now what I want that taking it in suggesting mode, and here I wanted to show you how to suggesting mode works. So what I want that champion should not be champion, it should be replaced with Google champion. So what I am suggesting, I selected the word and clicked on plus, and here it should be Google champion. And then if I want to share it, or I want to pass this command to the owner of the document, I'll give the ID of the person and assign this document to the person like this. And I am telling that you should change the word champion with Google champion. Let's see what happens. So now this suggestion is conveyed. Now I'm going to my original document. So this is here, and it is saying it should be Google Champion. So this was the word suggested by the recipient. Now what I'm going to do here, I'll select this, and it should be Google Champion. So I'm writing here Google, Google, and here this, it indicates that you are going to add some word which is suggested by the person. So I'll add this. I'll click on this add and click on right button. Now this Google is added to this word, and if I suggest or change the bit, now it is saying Google Champion with Google Champion with a space. Okay, replace. So see here, this Google Champion which was Google Champion which was the one word with no space. Now it has, after suggestion, it has been converted into Google Champion. So this way I can write or use the suggesting mode. All right, and if I share this in, and suppose in viewing mode, I'm taking this viewing mode. Now see. So this is viewing mode where I cannot see other formatting toolbar at all. And if I go to the recipient whom I shared this document with, and this is the same. Now I am going to original document here. This is again in suggesting mode. And if I say editing mode, I can edit this. And if I say in viewing mode, now see you here, this viewing mode appears like you cannot see any formatting toolbar here. So this is how this editing, suggesting, and viewing mode work. Now editing. All right. Now I'm going to do here. I'm going to uh, give some space. Means so this is a paragraph, and this is also paragraph. Here this is one paragraph, and this is another paragraph. And if I want to give some space or decrease the space within the paragraph, I can use this line and paragraph spacing. So if I click, if I write add before paragraph, and suppose I excuse this paragraph, I mean, this is another paragraph. And if I want to when I select this, it was already having the spaces within the paragraphs. So I remove this, and again I remove this. So it will look like after removing the paragraph space. So if a person is typing the document or paragraph without spacing, then one can insert the paragraph space. So using this. So if I want to add the space between the paragraphs, so before the paragraph begins, you can add a space, and the paragraph, after the paragraph which you have written, you can also add the space. So here I am going to add after and before, after and before. So the document will look like with the paragraph space. And one more thing, if I want to insert some space between the lines, so this is 1.15. if I want to squeeze the lines or squeeze the gap of the lines, I can also do this. I can double the line space, or I can minimize this space also. So single. And if I want to customize the space, I can use customize custom spacing. Say here line spacing is 1. If I want to do like 1.7, and paragraph points 10 before and after. I took this as 5, and after also I take 5. So before the paragraph the space is 5, and after the paragraph space is 5, and line spacing in 1.7. Then I apply this. Now you see. So here this is a gap of 5 points, and over here the gap of 1.7, 1.7. And if I remove this paragraph, remove this paragraph also, and the custom line also I'm removing, and select a single, means there is a gap of single point. All right, this way we can insert the line spacing, we can insert the paragraph spacing. Hope this is clear to you. Now I am going to create some to-do list, and suppose these are the I just insert the paragraph gap. Now I want to convert this text into checklist. So what should I do? So I'll go to this place and click on this. All right. So checkboxes will appear after before every item. So if the suppose these are tasks. Suppose these are the tasks. There are two tasks, and every task is having checkbox. So when I click this, means my task is over, or my task is completed. So if I click on this, it shows that my task is completed. And if I unclick this, uncheck this, it means I have to work on this. So this to-do list I can create using checkboxes. All right. Now I remove them. Removing this. Checkbox is removed here. And now if I want to give some bullets, so if I use these bullets, so over here select these paragraphs this way and click on the bullets. So see here, bullets are inserted before the paragraph. And if I want to if you want to give numbers, so you can give bullet numbers also, say 1 and 2. And this way these are the formats of bulleted lists. You can use them. Similarly, if I remove them, and if I use bullets here and click on this, I can use this also. All right. So this way we can use the bullets. Okay. Now I want to use suppose the line or word, and if I insert here, say this way, I can select. So this one character is selected, only one character is selected, and if I click this and double click this, it selects complete word. And if I click 3 times, the entire paragraph or the entire line is selected. All right. So this way we can select the word, single character, or the entire line or the paragraph. And if you want to clear this formatting, you simply go to this place. So see here, formatting is cleared. So this formatting can also be cleared from clear formatting from here and clear formatting from this place, clear formatting. So these two, or you can use control plus backslash. For example, if I select this and double click, word is selected, and triple click, the whole paragraph is selected. And if I use control plus backslash, so here if I select control plus backslash, and one more thing, I want to color this document. Say red, and some of the items are, suppose I highlight some items, suppose with blue. Suppose this I want to highlight with blue. So this word is highlighted. Now I do not want all this, so I will use control and backslash. I'm sorry, I have to select this. Control and backslash. Now, whatever I have formatted is cleared. So this way I can use clear formatting. Okay, so what we have learned: clear formatting, bulleted list, checklist, numbered list, and paragraph spacing, line spacing, along with how to select single word or the complete line. We have learned about editing, viewing, and suggesting. So how do you like it? And I hope you got the concept what I have taught here. So we'll meet in the next videos with some other features of Google Docs. And this is not only I have also told you about the tabs which appears in Google Docs, and this was previously available in Google Sheets, Excel, etc., but in Google Docs it is also available. So we'll discuss more with these features in my next video. Till then, bye bye.